my face, and you be like, baby, who cares?
Yeah.
I mean, 5W30 GTX.
Getting an oil change on my baby today.
I mean, GTX high mileage. 5W30 GTX high mileage. Just have a 241.
Yeah. Getting an oil change. Say hey. Stay, say hi.
You funny.
It's an oil change type of day. It's an oil change type of day. Child would have never thought this oil change would have been no $62.99. Child, they don't lost their mind. They better be glad I got the funds, because baby, if I ain't had the funds, I would not be spending no $62. I said I was not gonna spend no more than $30 on the oil change, and look at me spending $63 on the oil change for my truck. My car would have never been this. My car would have never gave. But I love my truck, so she could give. This right next door to the place that I've been taking my cars to get washed. I love that place. Think about getting a car washed today, but I don't know. Look at this child. Just bad. Supposed to be sitting in the car seat and he not. We get to sit in the car while they do an oil change, thank God, because it's too hot to be sitting outside. I don't even have my tripod. I left my tripod at home. I thought I left it in my car, but I didn't.
How you wipe the blades doing?
My wiper blades? What about them?
Are they okay?
Oh yeah, they good. I did not know I was gonna be paying those.
Huh?
I didn't know I was gonna be paying those $60-something for an oil change.
I mean, at the end of the day, it does end up saving you a lot of money instead of coming in at 3,000 miles for every oil change like a manufacturer recommend.
Right.
And you also get a free top-off policy whenever you come after 3,000 miles, so you come back in, we top off all your fluids.
Y'all, he trying to suck me in. This guy trying to suck me in. It all sound good.
It is. I mean, hey.
I ain't complaining. I got the money. I might as well spend it. Because I don't never like to get oil changes. I never like to get oil changes. My lazy rump. I've been blow the engine before I got an oil change, so I'm not going to do that because I'll be spending too much money on engines and getting a different vehicle. So I'd rather just get the oil change and call it a day. That way I don't got to worry about my engine blowing in either one of my vehicles. Plus, y'all, if y'all have the money, make sure y'all keeping up with y'all cars, ladies, mainly ladies, because us ladies don't like to do nothing for our cars. We don't like to get oil changes. We don't like to get tune-ups. But we will get our car washed. We don't never look up under the hood, and that's why our engines and stuff is blowing. So, but it's early morning. It's like 11 o'clock. I had to go get some business done, and this is a part of my business, getting my baby together, because I was supposed to get an oil change like a week ago when it was flashing, telling me, "Mom, you need to go get me a change. Mom, you need to go get me an oil change." So yeah. So I'm a procrastinator. So instead of me procrastinating, I might as well get it done. I procrastinated long enough on this. So I will talk to y'all in a little bit. Y'all, so I'm done getting my oil change, and it was amazing. Expensive, but amazing. It was worth it. And now I'm next over at the car wash, and I love the drive-through car wash. I swear I love my truck. I just love it. Oh my gosh, that was so dumb. It cracked a little bit, so some soap suds got it. Got on my face. don't know, it's just soothing to me. Y'all, here they have free vacuum. They have free vacuum, but I'm not about to vacuum my car because I just recently got my car detailed like a week or two ago, and it still looks great on the inside. So I'm not even gonna get out and vacuum my car because I don't feel like it. But that little drive-through car wash was just amazing. Now I'm about to find something to eat, because why not? But I just wanted y'all to see a little part of my day, me vlog a little bit, so why not? Now I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna eat, and I'll probably get back to y'all whenever I find what I'm gonna eat, because I am kind of hungry. And yeah, it's always police around here. I swear, everywhere you go, that's all you see in my city is police is bothering people all day, every day. Oh, but they ain't even bothering nobody. I don't know why I'm talking. Now, you also see police a lot because over here, nobody can drive. And look, this person is over here and that person is over there. It's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. But that's my city. That's my city. I don't know if you're supposed to U-turn, but I'm going to U-turn anyways. They're going to have to catch me, baby. Well, anyways, look how pretty it looks. My sunroof, look how pretty it looks. It was looking like it was gonna rain today. Now it's just nice outside. It's 80 degrees, which is actually not bad because it's not scorching. The sun really not piping like that. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I find out what I'm gonna eat. I'm going to my favorite restaurant, well, my favorite fast food restaurant, Popeyes. Y'all already should have known I was coming here, baby. Y'all already should have known. I'm waiting in line. What you talking about? What you talking about? They good. You love you some Cheeto Puffs. Cheeto Puffs.
Thank you for choosing Popeye Main Steve. I'm taking your order.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good.
That's good.
Can I have a number 3?
Number 3, you want that chicken to be mild or spicy?
Can I have it spicy? But can I only have like wings and drums?
So you want a wings and drums?
Yes,
legs?
please. Yes.
Okay. And what's the size?
Beans and rice.
And your favorite drink?
Can I have a lemonade?
Medium large.
Medium is fine.
Okay. So I got 3 pieces. A 3-piece with legs and wings, and also a red beans and rice and a medium lemonade. Anything else?
That's all. Yes, sir.
I see you can win a ma'am. 1101.
Thank you so much. Baby, I know them ain't my brakes. Them can't be my brakes. That's the truck behind me. Brakes, they loud. Oh, excuse me. I forgot to ask for a jalapeno.
Oh.
I forgot to add a jalapeno.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. What you ain't on, Joe?
Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, 52 cents.
Let me see if I got 52. Damn.
Thank you, to the five, man. Keep up, take your order.
They so petty. He really made me pay 52 cents for a jalapeno
And with the side, what did you say?
after I already paid for my food. Now that is as petty as it comes. But I get your money, but child. The guy that brought me my food, that run me up, he wasn't for to charge me. But I guess that old man's supposed to be the manager, so I guess whatever, it's just 52 cents. It's my fault for forgetting to add it on. Sit down. Whew. Love that chicken from Popeyes, child. I had a headache. I have a migraine.
You drive a car, truck, SUV. From the 1-800-411 Page Studio.
Bro, you should have been put on your blanket. You knew you was turning. Now I got to go all the way down here past where I need to go because y'all want to play. Come on, let me over. Come on, start being disrespectful. Now I already done missed my turn because y'all want to play. No, I didn't. Because I'm a professional driver, baby. Y'all got me messed up. Don't play with me. A real professional driver. Period. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm finna go home. Finna take my baby home and feed my child, my little baby. Feed my little baby. And yeah, that's all I'm doing today. I don't really feel like doing anything else other than relaxing. Eat my food, get in my bed, watch some TV until my kids get out of school. And yeah, relax. Because, baby, my birthday is next week. Next week, October 13th. Like I said, I love me some Libras. We the best. And what's up? But yeah, I'm gonna go home, eat my food, like I said. In the process, feed my baby. And relax until my kids get out of school. My kids don't get out of school, child, for like 3 more hours. So I'm finna chill. Might even much take a nap because why not? It's looking kind of gloomy outside today. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all when I get back with y'all.
Hip and say. Even though I'm my body might be chasing.
Hey y'all, so me and my baby made it home safely. We ate, got full, my baby took a nap. So I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Also make sure you press the bell so you be notified of all my videos so you can come join the fam. And you know I have to leave something fresh on y'all brain. And today I'm gonna leave y'all with, if a person truly cares about you, they'll make it their business to be in your presence. Bye, loves.